Dahil nakabreak sa pag-attend ng mga fashion week across the globe, may bagong passion na pinagtutuunan ng pansin ngayon si Heart Evangelista. Yan ang jewelry designing.
It's something that I ventured into. It's actually malapit akong sold out. Ito na lang yung natitira.
You're not even promoting it yet.
No, I'm not. Nakakatawa na madami mga madams na gusto yung mga turquoise and that's my first collection. I'm very inspired. So that's my new venture.
Soon, mapapanood naman si Heart sa isang bago at kakaibang original Pinoy game show na magpapakita ng pulso ng ating mga kababayan sa iba't ibang usapin. Panalo ang maraming opinyon sa The People Have Spoken.
Masaya to. Kasi dito naman magaling tayo sa mga TikTok tala. It's an original game show from GMA. So, nakaka-excite. Kasi masaya lang na magpakatotoo. And I feel like by being expressive with what you want to say, it's a good time to discuss and to let out some sentiments, di ba? At mananalo ka pa kung mataas yung persento, kung tama ba yung dahilan mo.
Makakasama ni Heart si Kapuso actor and host Sean Lucas.
Super shocked. She was one of my biggest crushes in the industry.
Yeah.
So for me to be working with her now is kind of crazy to me.
Mapapanood na ang The People Have Spoken sa June 6 pagkatapos ng 24 oras weekend.